Hi, and welcome back to Wild Rose Lane Design, where imagination and design meet to play. And today, we're making home goods cocktails. I found this cute little package with different cocktail mixes, and I decided I was going to give them a try. All you need is a shot of the alcohol they recommend, a shaker, and a pretty glass. So let's get started. The first drink we're making is a Spiked Apple Cider. And the second drink we will be making is a Mojito, as the directions require both of these drinks to be used with a rum. 2 for me, and none for Gretchen Wieners over there in the corner. Ooh, that smells like a green Jolly Rancher. In goes the rum. Now that went on for a little too long, ooh, this is a freezing container. It is so cold. Let's give it a second. And time for the fancy glass. Use whatever glass you like. I found this at Home Goods along with all kinds of other iridescent goodies. It's like a mermaid for Christmas. Time for the taste test. Oh, gotta see what my handy helper thinks. And he gives it a thumbs up with a, yeah, not bad look. Alright, thanks, bye. Not sure what I was expecting, but it just tastes like a sour green Jolly Rancher and a little bit of alcohol. So I would not recommend doing this. I'd recommend looking up the recipe and making your own cocktail. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Be sure to look at the rest of the videos on this mini holiday adventure playlist, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a great day.